Good morning, dear children. Today I will explain you about the numerical of index numbers. In my last video last week, I explained the theoretical portion of index number, how it is calculated and what are its importance. So here we will be seeing Lesper, Paschen, Fisher's formula. Only these three formula you have to done for this academic year, and the questions are very simple. There is nothing much to be understood. The formula for Lesper is summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 into 100. Then Paasche has given the formula summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q1 into 100. And Fisher has taken both the ratios, taken the root and found out the value. So the Fisher's formula is under root summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q1. After taking the value of root, it will be multiplied with 100. Here P0 is the price of base year, P1 is the price of current year, Q0 is the quantity of base year, and Q1 is the quantity of current year. This index number is taken as to compare the price and quantity level with the past year, whatever year we will take as the base year, and we can estimate how the indices have gone. Usually it goes beyond 100, and I have given one hypothetical question for that. It is the hypothetical questions, so figures may be little more. You have to solve it with the help of your textbook. So here is the question. Calculate the index number by Lasper, Paasche and Fisher's formula, keeping 2006 as base year for 2011. So here base year is 2006 and current year is 2011. So the price and quantity of 2006 will be considered as P0 and Q0 respectively. And the price and quantity of 2011 will be considered as current year's price and quantity, that is P1 and Q1. Now you have seen the formula for Lasper. We need summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0. So we will take the multiplication of P1 Q0 and P0 Q0 for all four commodities which are given. Similarly, we'll do for Paasche. We need P1 Q1 and P0 Q1. So that values also we have taken. The summations are with you. Now simply we have to put in the formula. The Lesper's formula is summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0. So the value of summation P1 Q0 is 904 upon summation P0 Q0 is 393 into 100. So it is coming to 30.02. Try to take the answer up to 2 decimal places. For Paasche, it is summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q1 into 100. So value is coming to 30.26. For Fisher, what we have taken, both the ratios are to be taken under the root. So directly I have written the formula. Now since both the formula are coming 230, 230. So the square and root can cancel. Again we will get direct the value 2.30. We'll multiply it into 100. Now what has come, that is 230, is not simply the answer. We have to say that the price and quantity indices have gone up to 130% more. If the answer would be 130, तो हम कहते कि 30% more price and quantity level has gone or indices have gone. यहाँ पर it is 130% more. That is how the answer has to be written. I hope the question is clear. The solutions are very easy. Please try it, and only that up till that much we have to do for this academic year in index number also. Thank you.